Tired of video creation feeling like a tangled mess? Today, we're untangling that chaos and transforming it into streamlined storytelling magic with Nano Banana. So let's dive right in. First things first, scene design. Nano Banana lets you build your video's world with drag-and-drop ease. Choose from pre-made templates or craft your own unique environments. Think of it like digital set design, but way faster. For example, if you need a forest, click the Nature tab and select the Enchanted Forest pre-made template. Next up, animation. Breathe life into your scenes with Nano Banana's intuitive animation tools. No more complex keyframing. Unless you really want to get nitty-gritty, easily animate characters, objects, and even camera movements with a few clicks. Simply select the character and choose the wave animation preset from the animation panel. Time for some visual pizzazz. Nano Banana's iPod special effects are where things get truly exciting. Add realistic fire, shimmering glows, or dynamic particle systems. With just a click, these effects will make your videos pop. Select the particle system and adjust the emission rate and color to get the perfect effect. You can even add music at this stage. And there you have it. With Nano Banana, you can create captivating and visually stunning content faster than ever before. Experiment with different styles, refine your stories, and let your imagination run wild. Now it's your turn to create video magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations using video creation and AI videos.